Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. Just really a quick update because not too much happened since my last update. We had a bit of a reaction just below the standard resistance level here. And let me take you through the count first. The primary count at the moment, because that is the count that's in control in my opinion, is that off this high, which was made in March at around, this is a futures chart by the way, at $3.02 we came down in a wave 1. So this downtrend started wave 1 of wave 5. You see the roadmap on the chart here. This could have been the wave 2 top here. That's what I currently assume at 269. We did react at the time to the golden ratio. Here the 61.8 retracement around 262. We could have reacted, or we could already be coming down now in a third wave. Whoops, not that. Could be coming down already in a third wave now, which is again a 5-wave move, of which we've completed possibly the first one, and we're now in the second one. And then there should be a 3 and a 4 and a 5. So this is sort of the main roadmap, the main count I'm watching at the moment. This is the short-term bearish and medium-term bearish count, where we get one more low, maybe into the $1.20 to $1.50 area. If I zoom in a little bit, you always need to understand where is the invalidation point for this scenario. So if we really say we topped here in a wave 2 and we're now coming down in a wave 3, then invalidation point is clearly the top at 268. However, already a break above 261, the 78.6 retracement, if it's a sustained break, will make this downside move fairly unlikely, because then what I consider is a wave 2 of wave 3 goes too high. Okay, from experience, any sustained break beyond the 78.6 retracement, you can't really look at it as a wave 2 anymore. Now, okay, looking at the subwave structure, a little bit unclear. It could very well be that this C wave is already over. We had a bit of a flat pattern here in the wave 2, but I cannot rule out that this is still unfolding. It could even be that this B wave is unfolding as a triangle. You know, again, the subwaves, they move a lot, but the move down so far is also only in 3 waves, so it might very well be that this wave 2 is still unfolding in whatever shape or form that is. We'll pay attention to that, but important is the level of 261. Yeah, as long as we stay below that, focus can be on lower. What's the short-term bullish count? Well, so basically, short-term bullish count includes the idea that the wave 4 never finished, that we are now still in the wave 4, that we had an A, B, C structure, and we're now in the C wave, and that this was a 1, this was a 2, and this is another 1-2 setup, which ideally doesn't go much lower. Key level for me here, that this is a count that works out 1-2, 1-2, which would be quite bullish. It would rally obviously in a C wave to the upside. It needs to hold the 78.6 retracement at 216. I mean, I would say it's the 215 level, that wave 2 low. Below 215, I think it is even further confirmed that this is the bearish count. But as long as it's holding 215 and will push above 261, those are two signals, or especially the break above 261, that is a signal that the more bullish or short-term bullish count is working out. But then we should get a 5th wave down afterwards. So these are the two main potentials I'm tracking. Just quick look at the spot chart as well for the relevant price levels, but those charts move together. It's just slightly different prices. Here on the spot chart, what are the levels? So to focus here further on the downside, invalidation point here for the move down is 262. A break above that level would make us consider something more bullish. Short term, yeah. Also here, I mean, this was a 5-wave move down, so it could very well be that we're already continuing the move. But here, if we break above 256, that would be a warning that, okay, you know, or actually not that level. Let me just further down. No, it's 254. So above 254, it would be a heads up that, okay, maybe something more bullish is going on. But also here, everything that I said about the futures chart basically applies here as well. Yeah, that's my update about Natgas. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.